body scan practice. Lying on your back with your arms and hands at your sides and legs outstretched, or with the knees bent and the sole of the feet on the floor, if that is more comfortable. Or sitting in a chair in a relaxed posture, making a choice to allow yourself to be exactly as you are in this moment. Remind yourself of the intention of this practice. It is not to feel any different, relaxed, or calm. This may happen or it may not. Instead, the intention of the practice is, as best you can, to bring awareness to any sensations you detect. As you focus your attention on each part of the body in turn. When you are ready, notice all the areas of your body which experience connection with the mat or the chair. Expanding any sensations that you meet. Allowing your eyes to close if that is comfortable for you. If you find yourself getting tired or sleepy, opening your eyes is a good way to awaken the body and re-energize the body. Another way is to take some deep breaths if you feel you are feeling tired or sleepy. Bringing your attention to your breathing. Noticing whatever sensations are there. You might feel your chest or your tummy rising as you breathe in and falls as you breathe out. It is helpful to put a hand on your belly or chest, allowing your body to breathe naturally. Feeling your body as it breathes naturally. If at any time you find yourself getting distracted by thoughts or sounds or whatever else may be going on, kindly allow yourself to come back to the moment, back to the sensations in the body. Body scan is a way of helping us to connect your mind to our body. It helps us to connect one bodily sensations to another. The body scan helps us understand our bodies. Now, moving your attention from the breathing down both legs to both feet and feeling the toes on both feet. Noticing any sensations, contact with the socks, air, the floor, maybe there is tingling or probing. Maybe there is a sense of moisture or dryness, warmth or coolness. Maybe no sensations at all at the moment. Allow yourself to accept what is happening now in this moment, rather than trying to make something happen. Shifting your attention now to the bottom of your feet, noticing whatever is there. The soles, insteps, heels, noticing contact, moving round to the tops of both feet. Whatever sense you have of deep within the feet, bones, ligaments, muscles, blood flow, whatever you are experiencing. Now letting go of your feet and toes from your mind's eye. Perhaps on an out breath, now shifting attention to both ankles, exploring, having a sense of curiosity about how they feel. The bones, the skin, and expanding attention into lower legs. Checking in with the calf muscles. Are they tight or loose? Contact pressure. Whatever you experience is noticing any sensation on the skin. Perhaps as it stretches over the chin bone. Again, any time that you notice that your mind has wandered off, bring it back to the part of the body you are with, or back to the breathing. You can always come back to the breath. Now, on an out breath, letting go of the lower legs and bringing your attention up to your knees. Experience what your knees have to tell you right now. Be aware of the kneecaps, sides and backs of the knees, inside the joints, and letting go of your knees and bringing attention up into your thighs and feeling here. Allow your thighs to be the way they are, exploring into these big muscles, sensation on the skin. Whatever sense you have of the long bones from the knees up to the hip joints. And now expanding your attention from your thighs to include your legs and lower legs, feet and toes, both legs, hip bones down to the toes tips. If you like to imagine your breath, breathing all the way down to your toes and breathing in back up the legs, through the torso and breathing out through nose or mouth. If you like the idea of breathing this way, feel the breath going through the legs and out through your mouth or nose. When you are ready on an out breath, let go of your legs from your mind's eye, bringing your attention up to the pelvic area. Having a sense of the large bone of the pelvis that stretches from the hip joint on one side, right across to the hip joint on the other side, that holds all the organs in the lower abdomen. Noticing any sensation in those organs. Right down, keep in the belly. And moving your attention into the lower back, perhaps feeling the small bones in the tailbone and large bone in the spine as it meets the pelvis. Maybe there is pressure here. Muscles in the lower back. This is an area that can hold tension or discomfort or pain. If you are noticing that right now, you might want to explore the particular sensation that you are having. And now, letting go of your lower back and moving up your spine into your lower back and noticing sensations. The bones, the large muscles, the sides, and moving up into the upper back. Noticing the spine, the curve of the spine, maybe feeling slight movement from the back of the ribs as you breathe. connecting with your shoulder blades and right up to the top of the back. Now letting go of it with the mind's eye and taking your attention down from the body right down to the front of the belly and noticing what's here. Exploring sensations inside, perhaps sounds of digestion, any aches or pains inside, the muscles on the belly wall, any and all sensation in this part of the body. And again, if you notice that your mind has been distracted, your mind has wandered away to another place, congratulate yourself, be kind to yourself, don't be hard on yourself. Bringing your attention back to the belly. Go back to the breathing. Use the breath to anchor yourself back into this present moment and back into the body. And moving on now, letting go of the belly and feeling into the waist area. Perhaps noticing the diaphragm, that big muscle across the ribs, that muscle working to fill the lungs and contracting to empty the lungs, and moving your attention up into the chest, noticing that you experience here. What is your chest telling you just now? Feeling the movements of breathing and sensation in the muscles in your chest and on the skin. Perhaps feeling the lungs as they fill and empty. Perhaps having a sense of your heart beating in the chest. Hearing it, feeling it, or sensing it. Connecting in with this important muscle pumping blood all around the body to bring oxygen to every cell, carrying away the toxins. Now expanding your attention from the chest into the whole of the torso, from the shoulders right down to the pelvis and the hips. And if you like to, you could imagine that your breath can fill the whole of the torso on the in-breath, traveling right down to the bottom of the pelvis and emptying the torso as you breathe out. If you'd like to play with this, take a few breaths into this part of the body and letting go on an out breath of your torso and coming up to your shoulders. Pay attention to both sides, then the arms and fingers, then fingertips, and feeling the sensations in your fingers and thumbs right now. Noticing coolness or warmth, tingling or numbness. Contact whatever you are experiencing. Maybe there are no sensations there right now. Just allow them to be the way they are, along with your experience, whatever it is. And expanding your attention into the backs of both hands and also the palms. And anytime you notice yourself getting distracted, simply bring your attention back to your fingers and thumbs. Notice any sensations you are noticing here. And letting go of your hands and coming up the wrist and the lower arms. Noticing whatever is here. And shifting your attention up into the elbow joints and now into the upper arms. Feeling sensation in the muscles, the skin, whatever is here. And again, letting go of this part of the body and bringing your attention to the shoulders and checking in with the muscles in the shoulders, another part of the body that often holds tension, carries burdens. Noticing if your shoulder muscles are tight or loose, knotted or numb, allowing them to be the way they are. Simply bringing a kind awareness to however your shoulders are right now, and now expanding your attention from the shoulders into the whole of both arms, from the shoulders right down to the fingers and thumb tips. And if you like to breathe down into both hands, breathing through both arms and breathing up through the hands and arms, through the shoulders and out your mouth or nose. And when you are ready, letting go of your hands and arms in your mind's eye and bringing attention to your neck and throat. Whatever you experience here, just noticing it, being aware of it. And now moving up into the face. Focus on the jaw. Feeling the sensations here. Is it clenched or loose? Moving your awareness into your chin and from there into your lips. Noticing if they are touching each other or your teeth. Are they dry or moist? And exploring now into the mouth, teeth and gums, palate and tongue, moisture, dryness. Whatever you find, maybe there is a lingering flavor there. Now moving up into the cheeks and the nose. feeling the breath as it goes through the nostrils moving attention into the eyes and the eyelids, the eyebrows, the space between the eyebrows, the forehead, checking in if your forehead is carrying emotions at the moment. Again, following whatever they are to be there. Moving down to the sides of the face, along to the temples and the ears. Noticing sensations on the outer ears, perhaps feeling vibrations deep within the ears. Now shifting your attention into the rest of the head. Whatever sensations you experience on top of the head, the sides and back, noticing weight, perhaps pressure, the sensations of your hair, the air on skin, and now expanding your attention again. This time from the top of the head and expanding your awareness to the top of your head, down the torso to the feet and right to the toes on both feet. So you have a sense of your whole body lying or sitting here, feeling your body present, whole, connected, supported, and breathing, and whatever way feels right for you, feeling the breath throughout your body. Your whole body breathing.